Well, hello and welcome to this revision exercise on 3D and 2D drawings based on a GCSE higher tier question paper and suitable for iGCSE mathematics and high school and GED geometry. The question says this solid is made from six 1 centimeter cubes, and it says on the grids below, draw the plan and side views, and the grids below are shown here. Um, oops, sorry, and that's the grids below. Okay, so we're going to draw the plan first, and for plan, we're looking at it from the top. So we need to see that one there, and that one there, and that one there, and that one, and finally, this one here. So let's see how we get on. So we've got that one, call that A. Okay, and then B, and then C, and then D, and then E. Okay, so now this is our plan view. Now for the side view, we need to see 4 faces there. Okay, the white ones. Let's have a look. And that's our side view, or side elevation if you wish. Okay, now can you have a go at drawing the front view yourself? Okay, see how you get on. Now next part is going to be the next one. And it says the volume of the solid is 6 cubic centimeters. Okay, and then it says write this volume in cubic millimeters. Now, I'm sure I can do this without doing any exercise. But what I've done is to uh, sketch out this cube here. This cube is of dimension 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, which is equivalent to 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters. And the volume of this cube here can be expressed as 1 centimeter cubed, or 10 by 10 by 10, which is 1,000 millimeter cubed. So in effect, in this cube here, we can fit in 1,000 of these little ones here. Okay, so the volume of this can be expressed as either one centimeter cubed or 1,000 millimeter cubed. Now, for 6 cubic centimeters, all we need to do is to multiply 1,000 by 6. So 1,000 centimeter cubed is 1 centimeter cubed is 1,000 millimeter cubed. So you multiply by 6 centimeter cubed equivalent to 6,000 millimeters cubed. Now moving on to the next slide. Now, part C says the solid is placed on a set of axes as shown. Okay, and then it says that one there, and then it says that the coordinates of point A are 0, 0, 0. So point A is there. Okay, and then followed by the coordinates of point B are 3, 0, 1. 3, 0, 1 will give you there. So in effect, we move 3 units parallel to the x-axis, no unit parallel to the y-axis, and 1 unit parallel to the z-axis. Hence 3x, 0, y, and 1, z. You see what I mean there? So that's the point 301 there. Okay, right. And then it says which point has coordinates of 1, 2, 1. So 1 parallel to the x-axis, 2 parallel to the y-axis, and 1 up. So you're going to get 1 parallel to the x-axis, 2 units parallel to the y-axis, and 1 up. So it's going to be there. So the point 1, 2, 1 is the point D there. Okay. Right. Moving on. It then says write down the coordinates of point F. That's the point F. We do not move parallel to the x-axis. We should move 2 units parallel to the y-axis and 2 units parallel to the z-axis. So we have 2 units parallel to the z-axis. So point F will then be 0, 2, 2 because 0 units parallel to the x-axis, 2 units parallel to the y-axis, and 2 units parallel to the z-axis. So F is 0, 2, 2. Okay. Now, moving on. You see, the solid is moved so that the new coordinates of point A are 0, 1, 1. So point A would be no units parallel to the x-axis, 1 unit parallel to the y-axis, and 1 unit parallel to the z-axis. So point A will be there. That's our new point A. Okay, and the accompanying cube. So this cube there. Okay, we then move on there. Okay, now moving on. It says coordinates of point P are now 3, 1, 2. Don't forget moving from 3, 0, 1 to 3, 1, 2 there. So we're going to add 1 unit parallel to the y-axis and 1 unit parallel to the z-axis. There's no movement at all on the y-axis. Okay, so our B will then be occupy that empty space there. So that's our new B there. Okay. Now it then says find the new coordinates of point F. Now looking at this here, we're going to add 1 to the y-axis and 1 unit to the z-axis. So point F is going to be that there, and that's point F there. And the coordinate of point F would then be 0, 3, 3. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.